Hey everyone, and welcome back to Financial Climbs. Today is May 29th, and the markets have been on fire. A federal court just blocked the bulk of Trump's aggressive tariff plan, sparking a surge across the markets. But within hours, we've seen that Trump's legal team have fired back, filing an official appeal to keep those tariffs alive. So is this really real? Is the rally really real? Or are we heading straight into another storm? I'm here to break it all down for you. So we now know that the court blocked tariffs and Trump has then gone on to appeal them. The US Court of International Trade delivered a major blow to Trump's trade agenda. It ruled that the so called Liberation Day tariffs, sweeping duties on imports from multiple countries, were unconstitutional and beyond presidential authority. That's what they told him. Now, when this happened, the market surged, as you may have seen earlier today. The Nasdaq jumped 1.4%, the S&P gained just over 1%, and the Dow climbed about 0.4% in early trading. But just hours after that decision, Trump's legal team filed an official appeal, calling the ruling flawed and dangerous to American sovereignty. So while the current version of the tariffs is blocked, the legal battle is far from over. What we have seen though today is that tech stocks have totally exploded despite the chaos. They've all soared. Nvidia posted 44 billion pounds in Q1 revenue just after their earnings. That's up 69% year over year, even after losing 4.5 billion in sales due to China export restrictions. All the investors just piled in. Nvidia stock jumped about 6% pre-market too. Looking at some of the other stocks, Tesla rose 2% after Elon Musk announced he's stepping down from his brief government post to refocus on his companies following the end of his allowed time. Salesforce also crushed expectations with 9.83 billion in revenue and strong AI driven outlooks for the fiscal year 2026. Wall Street's message is loud and clear. Tech is still the heavyweight in this market. As well as the tech stocks, we've also seen global markets react. The ruling and Trump's quick appeal has had ripple effects across global markets. In Europe, major indexes like the FTSE 100, the DAX, and CAC 40 opened higher as investors welcomed the pause in escalating trade tensions, which has been a cause of tension for a lot of the EU as well. The stock 600 rose across tech and industry sectors, signaling confidence in global demand. Asian markets also saw green. The Nikkei 225 in Japan and Hang Seng Index in Hong Kong posted solid gains, driven by hopes that trade routes could stabilize, at least for now. But that optimism was quickly tempered once news of Trump's appeal hit global headlines. Investors are fearing that renewed trade barriers could disrupt fragile post pandemic supply chains and reignite inflationary pressures. So while markets are breathing a sigh of relief today, many are watching closely and pricing in a volatility ahead. Be interesting to hear which of you will be buying ahead of the close of the week tomorrow. So, what does this mean for the market mood and what's next? Investor sentiment right now is cautiously optimistic, and you guys can probably feel that in the markets over the last few weeks. Many believe the court ruling for Trump opens the door for freer trade and longer term growth, especially in tech, because if those courts block Trump in the long term, it could mean prosperity for a number of countries. But with the appeal in motion, the rally could be temporary. If Trump regains authority to impose those tariffs through alternative legal channels or wins the appeal, we could see a sharp reversal. This isn't a clean win yet, guys. It's the first round of a legal and political fight that's just getting started. So, what do you think? Is this the start of a sustainable bull run? Or are markets just overreacting to a temporary legal win? And is this just another news story hitting the market for a day or two? Let me know what your thoughts down in the comments are. I read every single one of these, and your perspective helps shape the next video, guys. Any recommendations or suggestions, please let me know. If you found value in today's update, do me a quick favor. Tap that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a critical market move. Timing is everything, and on Financial Climbs, we keep you one step ahead.